So the High Value Manufacturing Catapult is working on a project called Accessible Automation for SMEs. And that project is about developing a best practice guide that allows SMEs to understand how to implement robotics and automation in their factories. And in doing so, enabling them to really benefit from the things that robotics and automation bring. So increases in productivity, repeatability, competitiveness, and overall prosperity for the company, but also for the UK economy as a whole. We've got a number of elements within that project. One of them is a best practice guide itself, and we're publishing that with the IET, the British Automation and Robotics Association, and Gambika. And we're also going to run a series of events to disseminate the knowledge that's already in that best practice guide, but also to talk to SMEs in more detail about their challenges, how we can help them, and how they can implement robotics and automation.